Hello everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through 3 SQL queries each for easy, moderate, and hard levels, all designed to work with our sales management database. These queries demonstrate how to retrieve and analyze data effectively using SQL. This query uses a select statement to get the name and price columns from the product table. This helps us quickly view our product catalog. Here, we use a similar select statement on the regions table to view all available regions. This query retrieves name and discount from the promotions table to display the ongoing promotions. This query retrieves product names, their categories, and stock levels. It joins the product categories, and category tables, ordering results alphabetically by product name. Next is a summary of total sales grouped by region. This query uses transactions and regions table, displaying regions sorted by highest sales. This query lists active promotions, showing the discount percentage and their duration in days, calculated using the start and end dates. This query calculates the total commission earned by each sales representative. It uses the representative sales table to sum up commissions, amounts, and joins it with the sales representative table to fetch their names. Results are grouped by representatives and sorted in descending order of total commissions. This query finds the product with the highest sales volume by summing up the quantities sold from the transaction products table. It joins with the product table to get the products' names, groups the result by products, and limit the output to the top-selling product. This query calculates the net total for each transaction by subtracting any discounts from the original total. It joins the transactions table with transaction promotions to sum up discounts, using a left join to include transactions without discounts. The results show the transaction ID, original total, total discounts, and net total sorted by the highest net total.